Hey guys, if you're looking for a great pool monitoring system, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This was sent to me to review, and I wanted to show you guys just all the cool stuff that we have been using and that we like about it. So overall, this thing has worked great. It comes in it has like a sensor as well in the pool. I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a minute. But I like that it has this little screen that it shows you everything that it can measure. It also has an app as well. So maybe you're off-site or maybe you're somewhere else. You have an app. It'll kind of even tell you what's going on and even have recommendations for you as well. So it'll tell you what you need to do, how you need to improve your water quality or whatever that might be. But you could use this on pools, you can use it on hot tubs, ponds, or whatever you want to use it on. It'll show you all these different things. So I just want to show you some of the stuff that we like. Number one, you have the pH, so it kind of tells you what the pH is, if you need to adjust that. And you're always wondering like, hey, is this going to work? Is that adjustment working? All that kind of stuff. You have your temperature right there. You have your salt as well. So we have a chlorine pool, so don't have any salt. You have the chlorine, CL levels. You have the ORP. You have the TDS, and then you also have your EC right there as well. So it tells you all these different features and functions of your pool. You can check the sensor, you can check everything. I really like this option. This is a really cool, just a little feature for that. This can reach up to, it says 650 feet away. So our pool is just kind of right on the other side of this wall. So it's nice to have this in my shop. I can always just look, see what the pH is and see everything, knowing do I need to add or need to change anything. But I'm able to just look and check this out really quickly. And that's a super huge function for us. And then as well, you can look at the app. So if you have the app, you can always just check it out and see as well. So, but what I want to do is go out and look at the device and check that out, and we'll come back in here and I'll tell you what we like about it and what again we've enjoyed so far. All right guys, so here is the device in the pool. Has a little flotation device right here on the top, but then you have again just all the measuring tools down here, and then also all the stuff that's sending you signals back. So really small, really easy and nonchalant. Doesn't make a lot of noise or even take up a lot of space as well. So it's a really cool device on that. Like I said, all the different things that are inside there. Again, measuring, which is really cool. So this again is just the piece I wanted to show you guys what it looked like actually up close and how small it was as well. That's actually going to be in your pool.
So here is our measuring device. Just want to show you a little closer up. You can see the sensors are there in the bottom, and it has this foam piece on top that actually helps it float. So it's really small and it works really well. And again, it's a great little device, and our kids just try their best not to touch it when they're playing in there. But again, it's pretty easy just to kind of leave in there and let it float around, similar to the chlorine tablets. And here's what it looks like next to our pool vacuum. And just a reminder, this was sent to me to review.
Well, so far for me, I have absolutely loved this, because every year what we'll do is we'll put the pool out and we'll start adjusting everything, and then we're always grabbing test strips, checking that out before we get in. Is this whatever, is that, all this kind of stuff after a rain, are we regulating everything enough? But it's nice having this, because then you can always look and tell exactly what's going on. Everything is right here. You're not having to worry. You're not having to guess with test strips. If you want to, you can compare them to test strips as well. So that way you have like two comparisons, and that's really nice as well. So you have both of those. And then also when you're on vacation, you can always just pull it up and look and see what the pool looks like if you're away or any kind of thing. So I think overall it's really great. Has worked really well so far for us. I really like the size. It's pretty small. You guys saw that. I like how small this is, and the app, you got that as well. So it's really cool. I think this is a great thing, overall. I mean, I wish if there was some way to like put some type of chemical in there from that would be kind of cool, but I think that would be really hard and be really big. So I think if you're looking for some type of option to help regulate your pool, this is one I highly recommend you check out. It works really well and is a great option. So if you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.